morning, first graders. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Let's kick off our day with the kindness pledge. One hand on your heart, one hand in the air. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, I have a couple quick announcements for you this morning. The first announcement is I want to make sure that you are using the agenda slide that I put in the PowerPoint each day. So let me show you that and give you some helpful hints if you're not doing it. So this slide is super important and it will make your life so easy if you use it. These little boxes here are great for putting check marks in as you complete each activity. Okay, so I can print this out, and I know the first thing that I need to do in OG is to read the sight word deck that I would find on the OG slide. Okay, I read it, and then I put a check mark here. Then I go to the next activity where I don't have a check mark, right here. Complete the OG 416 assignment in Spelling City. I know I'm going to find details about this on the OG slide. Complete the OG assignment for 416 in Spelling City. I can click here or I can click this button right here and it'll take me straight to Spelling City where I can log in and I can find the activity that is called OG assignment for 416. I come back to this agenda slide that I have printed out and I put a check mark right here. Okay? One thing that I want to show you that a lot of you still need to finish this week, it's been on the slide since Tuesday, is the Animal Research Google form. I'm going to pull that up now and show you. Now, the reason I'm having you do this, I want to keep track of what animal each person is researching. So I don't want you just to tell me. I don't want your parents just to email me. I want you to select the animal's name here. So you look at this list of animals and you say, I really don't know that much about a capybara. So I'm going to put my little cursor right here and I'm going to select this animal. And then I come down and I find my name. And then when I've got my animal selected and I've selected my name, then I select submit. And then this will go straight to Mrs. Rice's Google Drive. You won't have to send anything else to me. I will know exactly what animal you're going to be doing research on next week. It's really important that I know. If you aren't submitting this to me, I will be calling you on Friday to find out which animal you plan to research for next week so I will know how to help you. Okay? So that was really, really important. I hope that you will now know how important it is for you to complete this. Okay? After you do submit that Animal Research Google form, put a check mark here because you've got it done. Okay? So you'll know that you're on the right track with everything. If you've completed everything, you've got a check mark in each of these boxes for today. And I've also included a handy-dandy little daily recap slide that goes right back through it and says, did you do this? Did you do this? Did you do this? So it helps you stay on the right track. And that's what I'm trying to do. Help keep everybody on the right track and make e-learning as fun and easy as possible for every student. Okay? All right, friends, reach out to me today if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see the great learning that you do. Have a wonderful day.